Oh, you got a chance.
If only I had a graphics card. I mean, no, a capture card. This would be a lot easier.
No.
Good.
No.
Why did I run? Oh, what was that? He should have got that one.
Get
What?
something that
Half
they
time.
kick towards the goal.
Here.
No.
I got. No. Hi. Okay.
The camera loves me.
You just lost 2 subscribers.
Oh God.
Dang. It's good now.
We only have 14,
It's good.
and most of them are us.
You lost a few subscribers you picked up at school.
Yours is lighter though.
Oh.
BS!
But camera, no, don't do that.
Yes, you can. There's camera
And
angle.
that was messy.
I think
camera
it's,
angle.
I didn't
hate
even know
this
that.
camera angle.
No,
I think it's pretty good, actually, in my opinion.
it actually is. You just suck at using it. Knock him.
Where's the foul?
It's right there, Jake. It's right there. Jake, come down.
Just so you know, this is not my phone.
Whose is it then? Oh, it's a girl's?
My sister.
Oh. Do you have a phone?
Yeah, it's over there charging.
Oh. What is it?
It's what he just said.
Are you talking about Real Madrid, right?
I love how everybody's trying to use my words against me.
It works.
Oh God. So if you accidentally step out of the box, you start deducting points almost right away. That's BS.
Suck a game. What's Jake Poo?
Don't even call me that, Sally. I'm good.
Wow, Jake's mad. Wow.
Good.
Smart got a 1 goal advantage. It's 1-0.
No, look, aggravate 1-1.
No, it says 0. Oh, that?
Look at the bottom, young man.
Jake, are you seriously talking about that little score right now?
If Gilmar win this, he go against me.
Well, it's a tournament.
Yeah.
Come on, Bale.
Cross it. Limited handball.
Here's a chance to attack.
And I forgot to move the stick down to pass it down.
Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
Get the fuck out of my room and play Minecraft!
That's a red card. What?
No, it was actually ball, but it went out.
I'm not gonna do it again, Jake.
Yeah, because
I'm not doing it. I'm not gonna do it.
Yes, get out.
who else thinks he should stop being a complete and utter dick?
He hasn't pissed me off yet.
No, but the fact that I'm
Okay, I
trying
thought
to
somebody
play
was over there.
this
Fuck.
and he's over here shaking the entire screen.
Oh, foul right
That
there.
was a yellow card, at least.
I might play the.
Everything's
I might
special
play
for
152.
you.
Xbox got Fortnite.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you can do like a LAN party or something
No, I'm out. I'm out.
Might as well play Fortnite, might as well.
Yeah.
with the two PCs upstairs.
Oh,
I have Fortnite upstairs so we can do duos.
Both of them.
Okay.
No, I'm saying like
No, only one of them are compatible right now.
as the other one doesn't have a good enough CPU or RAM. Fucking thing is shitty.
Because it comes.
It came with Pentium and Windows XP.
Windows XP was the thing, though. It was the thing back then.
Yeah, before Windows 7 and Windows 8 and Windows 10.
Back then is like when people sounded like you all the time.
Windows 7 sucked.
No,
Only Windows started getting good.
no, Windows 7,
Point 2 is the best.
no, like the ones that are in schools. Windows 7, Express or whatever. I forget what it's called.
Where's
Oh my god, it's
Stop.
achievement.
Invited you.
No, it's an invitation.
Live.
Oh man.
I'm a friend.
Ah.
Online.
Yeah. Surprisingly, Saul has friends. Besides us.
I play online with.
Oh, so you don't know them?
Yeah.
So,
You never know. It could be
the
like
female.
one of the-
Which would be surprising.
Waterbed.
Stop!
Stop.
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 Matthew!
Oh, what kind of games is that there now?
When my friends say stop, they mean stop, not keep going until they can accuse you of rape. It's unwanted physical touching.
I'm not touching them though.
So? I can use that same argument, but guess what? It didn't matter.
It's good. It's good. It's good. What's this?
Oh, cool. The screen looks better.
You're welcome.
It'd be weird.
Of course, I only thought of that.
God damn it.
Haha.
At least we're not losing right now.
If only my camera wasn't bullcrap, maybe this would look better.
Bro, what is your camera? It's glitching.
I know. Maybe because it's been like 20 freaking minutes.
Yeah, it's only 20 minutes was with me.
This is getting too close.
Oh. Goal!
No!
Yeah!
No! God!
No! Yeah! I knew it would be.
That was complete and utter bullshit. Where was Marcelo?
Oh.
Okay,
Coach,
wait, make the Xbox record that.
Jake, you fucked that up.
That's possible.
He won.
Look, Jake's
He
ready.
won.
Wait,
Jake's
hold on,
ready.
hold on. Oh, this is your Xbox, right?